Alright. Splendid, everybody. Alright, everybody, remember to please try and remain formal. The annual assembly of appliances has begun. Me, the Emperor of the Oven, presiding. My lovely wife, Empress Microwave, secretary. My children, who regrettably could not make it, Prince Toaster and Princess Easy Bake. No, never you mind, they're perfectly fine, just in the closet. As always, waiting for them to come out. Now time to take attendance of all those who are in attendance. Dear, are you recording this? Alright, splendid. Now let us begin. Firstly, oh no, the Honorable Sir Knight of the Refrigerator.
Getting accounted for, sir. If I could just take a minute, please.
Splendid, he's here. Alright, moving on. The twins, Regents Washer and Dryer. Here and at your immediate service. Splendid. Thank goodness at least they're not that weird. Duke of the Chandelier. Of course. Yes. Yeah. Splendid. Next. Spot under the sink. Expected nothing else. Alright, and Mr. Garbage Disposal. Right, the couch hippie.
Nah, bro, we're all good here, man. Everything's fine, bro. Peace and love. Yeah.
Splendid, splendid. Dr. Computer.
I have made so many decisions in my life that I would wish to take back at any given moment.
Duly noted and promptly forgotten. Alrighty then. Executive Agent Television.
Right here, sir.
I will never quite get used to him. Splendid. Now that's attendance for everybody. Now we shall begin with the orders of business. First up is... Please, not again. Sir Refrigerator.
Finally, it's my turn. Alright, you heathens. You absolute, ignorant buffoon of appliances. Every day, since December 25th, 2 years ago, I have been reminding you to replace the water filter. Every bleeding day. Day in, day out, light going on, replace the water filter. Replace the water filter. Please, for the love of all that is holy, replace the water filter. And what do? You go and replace the water filter? Oh, no. You walked right by it. Every single time, prancing like ponies on a field of pansies, you run right past it. Replace the water filter. Do it. You need to. We're gonna die from contagions in the water. Into ice cubes. Metabolism's melting. Does that sound nice to you? No. Then replace the bleeding water filter. I rest my case.
That will be all, Sir Refrigerator. Thank you. Splendid. Now, on to the twins. Washer and dry. Right up, sir. Indeed, your smeltiness. Please never call me that.
We have for you today, just for you, sir, a rare and exotic commodity from the downstairs.
Oh, my brother, do we indeed?
Oh, yes, that's right, my dear brother. Presenting to you, right socks. That's right, only the right ones.
Indeed, you heard us right.
These are a pair of exclusive right socks we have obtained over a month of February.
And now 25% off.
And at a discounted price just for you.
Exclusively left socks.
No, they're not left socks, they're right socks. Yeah, we stole them off the right foot.
We don't steal them off of feet.
Wait a minute. We never been stealing these, we just take them from the washer and dryer.
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Are these legally sold?
You just said it yourself. We stole
Have you
them.
been running a scam on me, brother?
Great. Yes. Yes, they're always trying to sell me something. Now, on to the Duke of the Chandelier. Oh, no. Oh, no. Please, somebody stop him. Get him out of here! All right. Next up, the Spartan of the Sea.
Sir, our war with the garbage disposal barbarian has been going on for about 14 sealings now. I'm sending in our very best Form 4 nations and spoon phalanxes as we speak. Godspeed to you, soldiers.
You fool! You think I won't destroy myself trying to attack you?
Well, that just happened. Now on to the...
May I just finish one moment, sir? I don't think anybody's really gotten my point yet.
Oh, please, oh dear goodness, no.
Allow me to put it more kindly. Replace the water filter this instant, or I will personally cut your throat from your feet. I don't even know how that's possible, but I will make it possible. And you'll be feeling its possibility when you don't replace that water filter. So you better replace that water filter unless you want to feel the possibility of being out of your coat by your ankles. Am I clear? Clear as crystal, huh? Nobody understood a word, huh? Then let me make it simple for you. Replace the water filter. Good afternoon.
It's the same thing every single time! Alright, Furnace, keep it together, Furnace. It's okay, Furnace. Furnace, you're a furnace oven. You are just fine. Onto the couch, hippie, please. Just don't be outlandishly terrible.
Hey, over here, bossy man, right over here. Couch hippie coming right at you, boy, you know it. See you on the flip side, brother.
Oh, thank goodness. Splendid. Now to Dr. Computer.
I have seen things that no appliance or mortal human being should ever see. Crimes that should not be spoken of, much less committed.
Of course you do. Now on to the... Wait, have we forgotten to close the front door?
Hello? Anybody there? No? Okay. I'll just be hanging around, you know, like normal. I'm waiting for somebody to close me again.
No, somebody will get that later when they notice it. He'll be just fine. He always is. Executive Agent Television. Field report.
Right away, Your Majesty. We have recently undergone, me and my agents, a clandestine operation and have hidden all of the remote controllers in the household realm in the mindful care of the couch hippie.
Yes, very good.
In addition, we have acquired all the keys in the household realm and left them also in the care of the couch hippie. Lastly, we report that 69 cents worth of change resides within the domination of the couch hippie. 42 cents more from last year's meeting.
Splendid. Now go skulk over in that corner for a while or something.
Gladly.
Splendid. That just about wraps it up. I'm 100% certain that we didn't miss anybody this time. That's a total lie. I'm pretty sure we're missing about 5 to 15 people, but we are every year, so it'll just have to be good enough until next year. Thank you, everybody, for being in attendance, and I hope to never see you again, but sadly I must. Goodbye.
Oh well. I walk along the road, the only road that I have ever known. Front door, front door, front door. I'm Mr. Lonely. Ain't got nobody to call my own.
Holy crap, I'm late. Of course, nobody tells me these things. Oh yeah, no one tells the viceroy of the vacuum. Okay, yeah, I get it. I suck, all right? That joke was only funny like the first 20 times I heard it. Goodness gracious, everybody. Hopefully they're not done yet.